Pokemon bag reveal. Let's get into this, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Like always, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. It's greatly appreciated to know that you are all there and care to watch. Hope everything is well in your world. If it is not going your way, just remember, you are loved by me. Ooh, more Pico. There we go. Bought more Pokemon cards. Hoping we're gonna find something sweet hiding inside, like a promo. Yeah. Tapu Koko. Nice. Old school holographic style. Like it. Winter pile. What else are we gonna get? Something else? I'm hoping. Butterfree. Ooh, Electrode. It's the old school style. I like it. It's cool. Winter pile. Score bunny. I got a score bunny right here. Score bunny. What else? Oh yeah. There we go. Haunter. Full picks. Eevee. Dropping the card. And more energy. Trainers. Well, I think it was a win. What do you all think? Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Did you like it? Did you not? Hit that thumbs up button. Become a subscriber. Leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time. Take care.